Hello, lovely humans. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sarah, and if you're returning, I'm astounded. I've had such a warm welcome. So today I have my sterling ink purchase. This is my current beloved. This is a standard size Chic Sparrow traveler's notebook, and I have been in this book for 7 months. I have a tendency to get in a planner, get settled in, love it, find a way to make it work for me, and then get an itch to move out. And I used to have a lot of guilt and shame about that. And I have a dear friend who said, this is your hobby. This is something you're passionate about. This is something you enjoy. So why shame yourself? Why not enjoy it? Dying to know what all the buzz is about and whether or not it's something I'm going to move into. I am an all-in-one planner girl. I have tried to not be. Out of sight, out of mind. I am just too squirrely to not have it all there for me to reference. So without further ado, let's get into this box. I ordered a B6 planner and I ordered a standard notebook, both in the 240 page, I believe. I thought the half size would allow me a lot of stuff here. I thought the half books would make it easier for me to have inserts if I needed to kind of mix it up. Anyway, I'm not really even sure. I'm not sure what I'm doing. So, some lovely washi. I haven't bought washi in a long time. And it's pretty. And then this must be the cover for the B6. There's some stickers in there. Fun. Kind of forgot what the B6 size is like. And then the standard cover, clear cover. Oh wow. I got the Undated B6 planner, and this is the stickers to date it if you want. This is, wow, this is unusual. Nobody else has this that I'm aware of anyway, like this. This will be fun. And look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm also pretty visually impaired. That may be, I don't know what that will be like to do that. Okay. Oh, and I ordered just for August I think it's vellum. It's really pretty. Wow. Oh my goodness. I think these are the washi stickers. Really struggling to remember what I ordered. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Taking a break, ready for the planners. More room. So this is the standard size. Oh, these are both imperfect, I believe. Is that what they're called? Oh, wow. These gilded edges. And my paper. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just love the bound book. The lay flat really speaks to me. This is not too thick. You know, I think with the cover on it, it could go on, I'm not putting it in there right this second, but it could go on a string in the traveler's notebook. Okay, take two. All right. So, my battery died. Anyway, I was saying that I believe one could put this planner for this notebook, this bound book. Sorry, am I out of frame? Let's see, there we go. In a string of the traveler's notebook. without hurting the binding. I'm not going to finish putting it in right now, but that could work and still be part of my everyday carry. I don't know. I don't know what my plan is. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. The book itself is absolutely lovely. Honestly, I love the feel of it without this cover. So I just have to get to know it, see what I think. Thoughts on that later. Thoughts on that later. And then this is the B6 planner, undated, imperfect. And it's been a while since I've been in a B6. Again, not sure that that's what I'm going to do. I really like the texture of this. And okay, so we start with 2 blank pages, 4 blank pages, then into gold breakdown. But then I have these stickers if I wanted to add. I will just have to experiment and explore. And then this goes into Undated monthly. So this is the half. I'm not making whole sentences. Sorry, guys. I'm not making whole sentences. You know, it's hard to come up with words while I am lots of ums. I'm the queen of ums, and when I edit, let me tell you, the ums are aplenty. So many ums. This is the weeklies. Here are the dailies. It's beautiful though. It is everything that the Hobonichi that I adored was not. I didn't care for the dated page because if I didn't date them, I was anxious about having empty space or utilizing the date that wasn't the right date, which is ridiculous, but it still bothered me, which is weird because I am not a neat planner or a neat art creator, but it was a thing. Somehow the undated is no expectations. It's whatever you want to do, and that's much more comfortable. It is a beautiful bound book. Both of these are just, they feel fantastic. Another quandary is I have many standard size covers, so I can do that by itself here for this standard size, or I can add it to something here in my current everyday carry. If you're interested in that video, check it out. I have a full walkthrough of that. I am excited to play and figure out how I'm going to utilize these. I adore Tomoe River paper. Yeah, it's, you know, get that watercolor on there, and this isn't Tomoe River, but the crinkle and the tactile experience of even once the pages are done, flipping through it and playing. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, and I see what all the hype is about, but I cannot wait to get myself into the pages, and I will share that with you if you are interested. Also, I don't know what cover I'm going to put on here. Does that mean I'm going to have to go down a rabbit hole of buying another cover for B6 size? Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. You're awesome, and I will see you soon. Bye. Oh, good grief.